Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a painting using oil pastels. So let's start with a sketch. Over here I draw the line for the ground and I'll make a circle for the sun like this. This is going to be a sunset landscape. So you can guess the color scheme that we are going to use. It's going to be a lot of hot colors like yellow, orange, these kind of shades. Now over here I make the tree like this, then add some branches as well. I will also keep adding foliages along with it. Add another branch next to it like this, and again add foliages, the leaves over here. I'll add few more foliages over here and then I'll make another tree connecting these foliages, the tree trunk and the branch as well. Follow the pencil lines as I'm making the lines for the branch here, and make some texture as well on this thing like this here. Add a couple of birds as well over here. Over here draw an oval and then make a line like this. We are going to draw a deer, but it's only going to be a silhouette, so we'll not add the details like the eyes or the nose there. We will only draw the outline of this thing here. Then over here add another leg and then the other leg for the back. Then here make the neck and make its head as well. After making this triangular head, make the ears as well. And now similarly make another deer next to it. It's going to be like there's mama deer and then there's baby deer next to it. And that's it, we are done with the sketch. Now we will start with the coloring part. We will be using oil pastels for coloring and earbuds for blending the colors. Before we start with the coloring part, take your eraser and lighten up the pencil sketch for this part over here, for the sun basically. And yeah, now it's good to go. Take lemon yellow color and color the sun here with this color. Make sure you're applying enough color on the paper as well. That will help you in blending the colors nicely. I'm using a bit of dark yellow color on this area. We will just add patches of color and then using the earbuds later on we'll blend them. Here I'm using orange color. This way, be very careful, make sure that all the colors are inside the circle and they are not outside it. Next, take dark orange color and fill the remaining area of the sun here. Now pick up your earbuds and start blending these colors. We'll move from light areas to the dark areas. So I start blending the yellow and then I'll slowly blend this yellow color with the orange and then with the dark orange as well. start coloring the background, take Prussian blue color and apply it on this area over here at the top. This much area of the paper will be covered with Prussian blue color. This is the darkest blue that you will be having in the set. Now after this you will take light blue color and add it next to it. Before adding light blue, let's add black color over this Prussian blue color and make this thing darker. When we blend the colors, the Prussian blue will mix with black, creating a really dark blue color. Now we'll use sky blue color for adding this thing here like this. You can see how I'm adding the colors and where I'm adding the colors, and you can add colors in your sketchbook similarly as well. Be very careful around the sun. You don't want the blue color to be inside that sun. Outline it nicely and cautiously. Next you take peach color and add it under it like this over here. Now we are not going to blend peach and blue together, because they both together will make a really muddy color and we don't want that on our sketchbook. Once you are done coloring with peach color, take your earbud again and start blending this color from the side here. Be very careful, we do not want to make the colors muddy. First I'll blend peach color and then slowly move towards the upper portion, blending the blue and the dark blue and the black and blue color that we laid upwards. So make sure while blending you're adding all the strokes in the same direction, this way. Use the same earbud for this portion here. Very lightly I'll blend it. I think a clean earbud will be better. You can see how I'm trying to diminish all the white spaces with this peach color here. Now take lemon yellow color and add it over here like this. You can overlap it over the light blue color as well a little, but not too much because the sky doesn't have green color in this area. After this you take orange color and add it over here this way. Once you're done with this, now again take the earbud and blend everything together. We are done with the background. Now we'll start painting the silhouette. For the silhouette, you will take black acrylic paint and add a little bit of water in it just to dilute it to the right amount and paint the silhouette. Fill color in the deer and the trees and the foliage and the ground. I'll start with the deer. Simply fill color in this thing here flatly. As you can see over here, acrylic paint covers everything here. It's very easy to paint over a waxy surface with acrylic paints. That is why I'm using this. But in case you do not have this color, you can also use gouache if you have it. Otherwise, you can also use oil pastel for coloring, but be very careful because we have very thin lines and that might be a little difficult to cover with oil pastels. I add the birds with the same color next. Use a fine brush for it. My brush has a good point, so I'm using the same thing here. Next, start adding the tree branches like this. Once you're done painting the tree branches and the tree, start adding foliages over here. I'm using the side of the brush for making these, and I'm adding a little bit of water in it as well to vary the consistency of the paint. And you can see how I'm adding these petals over here, the leaves of the trees here this way. Remember how we sketched the foliage of the tree? You have to fill all of it with these kind of brush strokes with the brush. Use your round brush for this, that will be best suited for the picture. Now over here, start adding grasses. Add grasses like this with the brush. Here. First we'll add the grass lines this way and then we will fill color at the bottom. Once you're done with this, take a dark amount of acrylic color and fill color over here on the ground this way. And that's it. We are done with this picture.